Well, hello friends. As we all know, the pandemic has tried and we all are stuck up at our homes because of the lockdown, and we guys are worried on how to maintain our motorcycles because we cannot get out of our houses. So let me help you guys out by giving you few important tips on how to maintain your motorcycles just by staying at your residence, and the bike will be parked at your parking itself and we can stay back home safe. So guys, point number one is the parking. Yes. Make sure your motorcycles are parked at a closed area where it is not directly affected by the sunlight, rainfall or dust, because these 3 points, the sunlight, the rainfall and the dust, can easily damage your paint, fade your plastic and damage your rubbers too. And not only that, if in case you don't have a good parking spot, make sure you own a bike to cover. Point number 2 that you guys have to keep in your mind is that make sure that your bike is not standing still for a long period. So what you have to do is just hop on your bikes, move the bike to and fro for at least 2 to 5 meters, like this and like this. The reason why I'm telling you this is so that you guys evade the flat spots on your motorcycle tires. Especially what happens in these flat spots is the complete tire pressure stays at one particular portion and the weight of the bike leans on the tire and it creates a flat spot on your tire, which will be a problem for you guys to ride it again once the lockdown is up. And one more thing that you guys have to keep in mind when moving the bike to and fro, what you have to do is gently tap your front brakes and your rear brakes so that the jamming of the brakes are being avoided and there is proper rotation in the axles and the bearings of the tires. So third point that you guys have to keep in your mind is make sure that your motorcycle is being started at least once in 2 to 3 days, okay? So that what happens, the fluids in your engine is being circulated all over your engine. For example, the engine oil, the coolant flow, and not only that, it helps you to keep your battery charged. It doesn't go off because as we all know, these days the motorcycles that come in are very advanced and you don't have a kickstart option. So this shouldn't always work on for normal self-start bikes. So as I said, you make sure the bike is in running for at least 15 to 20 minutes in 2 or 3 days once. And in case remember, if you guys are not able to ride your bikes for a long period, you guys are not able to start your bikes, what you guys are supposed to do is you can easily disconnect the battery terminals from your motorcycle's battery so that the battery doesn't get discharged. So coming to the fourth point. So the fourth point is that make sure you park your bike in your center stance or a paddock stand. In case you don't have these two options in your motorcycle, you have to do is make sure that your motorcycle is standing on a straight level surface so that the fluids, the lubricants in your motorcycle is all aligned properly and leveled. In case you're not able to do all these, what happens is the fluids get accumulated in one portion of your engine, let it be the engine case or the 4 coils, for example. And what happens in this is, because of this continuous accumulation, there are a lot of possibility for the oil seal breakages, and that will be a trouble for you guys. So coming to the final point, the fifth point that you guys have to keep in your mind is that make sure your chain is lubricated and clean so that it avoids rust and corrosion, so that once the lockdown is lifted up, you guys can ride your bike safe and sound without any problems. So well guys, I hope this video has been of some help for you guys, and in case you have any doubts, any queries, you can comment in the comment box below, or you can directly text us on WhatsApp and Instagram. In case you want even more videos as such, please tell us your opinions and options in the comment box below so that we can work on it. So until then guys, stay home, stay safe. We will come back stronger and wiser. This is Faiz signing off.